Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Chainlink from Kraken to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink tokens between exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just managing your assets, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and XMO, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Kraken wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication to avoid any risks. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select Chainlink from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, click on the Withdraw option for Chainlink. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Here's a key tip. Copy the Chainlink deposit address from your XMO account. Go to XMO, log in, navigate to your wallet, and find the Chainlink deposit address. Make sure it's the correct network. Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum blockchain, so select ERC20 if needed. Back on Kraken, paste that XMO address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review the transaction details carefully, including estimated fees and processing time, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion in 2025. Hit Confirm to finalize the withdrawal. You'll likely need to verify this through email or 2FA. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track your Chainlink's progress. Finally, once it arrives on XMO, check your wallet there to confirm the deposit. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Chainlink. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the exchange support or double-check your addresses. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.